In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share access to Google Analytics. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Analytics. Once you are signed in, make sure you are on the main home area for your Analytics account. This is the dashboard where you can see an overview of activity and quickly navigate to different sections. Next, look to the left side navigation menu and click Admin. The Admin section is where you control settings, permissions, and configurations for your Analytics account. Take a moment to confirm you are working in the correct account before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one. Access settings are applied to the specific account you are viewing, so it is important to be in the right place. Inside Admin, find and click Account Access Management. In some layouts, you may see the same option appear again as you move into the Access Management area. If you do, click Account Access Management again to fully open the User Management screen. This is normal depending on how your admin panel is displayed, and it simply brings you to the detailed page where users and permissions are managed. Once you are on the Account Access Management page, focus on the main list area where existing users and roles are shown. Click in the highlighted area where the user list and access controls are displayed. This helps ensure you are viewing the correct panel before adding anyone new. Now click Add Users. This is the control you use to share access with another person. From here you will be able to enter the user information and assign the appropriate level of permission. Choose permissions carefully based on what the person needs to do. For example, if someone only needs to view reports, a lower permission level is usually best. If they need to change settings, manage users, or edit configurations, that requires higher access, and you should only grant that when it is necessary. After you click Add Users, you are ready to proceed with adding the person and setting their access level within this account. And that is all there is to it.